Hi guys, it's me, Kelly Cassie, and today we're doing my MorpheMe unbagging. So guys, today we're doing my January MorpheMe unboxing, and I just got this a couple days ago in the mail. I'm really excited to open up for you guys, and I have no idea what brushes are in this month's bag. I have not peeked at all. I've totally avoided all the emails and everything like that, so it should be exciting. But before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you I haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet. And how you can do that is by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you also hit that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I make a new video. And guys, I have a huge 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. So I hit 10,000 and I think mid-December, and I'm adding an extra secondary winner, second place prize winner for each 1,000 I hit over 10,000, and we just hit 12K, so that means we have 2 second place winners and 2 grand prize winners. So get really excited about that. If you want to go and check out that video, that giveaway video, I'll have it linked up here and also in the description box down below. Let's jump right into my January MorpheMe unboxing for 2018. First unboxing video of the year! That's probably really weird. I don't know if I care though. I'm excited about this, you guys. And I'm really excited that I haven't peeked. I haven't seen what's going to be in this month's. I have no idea. So here we go. We got a little card. I got a code for 10%. Actually, it looks like it's a code that anyone can use. So if you want to make an order from morphebrushes.com, then you can use the coupon code NYE 2018. I think it stands for New Year's Eve 2018. And you can get 10% off at checkout. So I don't get anything off of that. But if you guys want a code that's not affiliated with anyone in particular, then go use that one. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing here, ooh, these are the gunmetal brushes. I'm super excited about this. So this is the G42, and this is their gunmetal collection. It's supposed to be like their really high-end collection, and this looks like a sculpting brush. It's just kind of flat, sculpty shaped. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm saying words. They're not really making sense to me, so I'm sure they're not making sense to you, but it's, you know, for the carving of the cheekbones, you know? Does that make sense? Probably not, but you know, whatever. So on this card, it's a 1-inch flat contour. I feel like this is going to be really good for getting a really sharp contour line. I've been liking more of the faded effect recently, where it's just kind of blended out underneath your cheekbone. Not super sharp or anything like that, but definitely kind of more shadowy than anything else. The contour I'm wearing right now is not super duper sharp. It's more just kind of shadowy, if that makes sense. I do like when I do very strong looks to do a very strong contour, so I think this will be good. And for those of you who contour your nose, I feel like this would be a great brush. I don't really contour my nose, but if you do, you'll probably like it. So looking at the price on their website, this flat contour brush goes for $8. That is a good chunk of the bag right there. That's about half of the price of this subscription, so I'm happy with that. Also, I do really love the packaging of these brushes. I just think they're super cute. And just for comparison, these are the ones that I got a couple months ago, and they are, I believe, a limited edition version of the gunmetal brushes. I think the fibers on the actual gunmetal brushes feel a lot softer and nicer than the ones I got a couple months ago, which feel a little bit less soft and nice. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I like these better than those red ones that I got in the past so far. Okay, so this is the next brush I have. I really don't know what this would be used for. It's a G39. Let's see what it says in the card. It says it's a deluxe foundation brush. I don't know if I would use this for foundation. Maybe it's a little bit of a cross between like a flat foundation brush and a stipple. That kind of makes sense a little bit to me, but it says it'll give you an airbrush finish for your foundation. And I've never tried a brush quite like this for foundation before, because it's not quite a flat foundation brush, but it's definitely not really a blender either, or a stipple brush. I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. So the price of that brush is $8 as well, so we're up to a total of $16 here. So the last brush I have in this month's MorpheMe is a really, really soft brush, and oh man, this feels like those original brushes that I got. No, I don't think they were the original brushes. Here we go. This feels a lot like the E41 that I got in a previous month's bag. It's very soft, very plush. It feels like petting a puppy or something like that. But if you guys got the month that had the E41 in it, then I think you will definitely like this month as well, because this brush feels very similar. It feels like a really nice quality brush that I'm very excited about. So this is the pointed powder brush and it goes for $15. So with $4 of this brush, we finished up the $20 that this box costs, and the rest of the $11 are the discount that you're getting essentially. So the value of these 3 brushes is $11 more than the cost of the box. So if you're looking to get some new brushes and you want something that's going to be really affordable, then I think getting the MorpheMe subscription could be really good for you because you're getting a decent discount on each of the boxes. So that basically means I got this brush free and these 2 discounted by a couple dollars still. I would say that's a really, really good deal. And I get really, really excited when my MorpheMe box shows up because I love getting new brushes. It's one of my favorite parts of any subscription box. So guys, if MorpheMe sounds like a fun subscription to you and you want to subscribe, make sure you do so through the link in my description box. If you want to support my channel, that just gives me a little bit of change for everybody who subscribes and allows me to continue making videos like this. And that's pretty much it. If you're new here, make sure you go enter my giveaway. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button so I know to keep doing videos just like this one. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!